Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of gold USD in front of us right now. I'll keep the video simple. I will not stretch the video long. So I'll just try to wrap up within a few couple of minutes. So as you can see that right now the chart of gold looks like a sideways market, and if we look at the overall chart of gold, then yes, we get to see a sideways market. And if we just focus on the present um, chart of the market, then also we can see that market is sideways. So sideways market. So what is the trend of gold right now? We have a sideways market on gold. So as we all know, in sideways market, the buyers and sellers are almost of the equal strength. Number of buyers and sellers are almost equal. As a result, we do not have any trend in the market right now. And in a market scenario like this, whenever we get a sideways market, we can take trades both the side, which means that area of value or the best trading opportunity is available at the resistance as well as the support, because neither the sellers are dominating the market nor the buyers are dominating the market. And if you look at the chart of DXY US dollar here, then we get the same picture. Yes, US dollar had a sharp fall, but right now if we just observe this particular portion of the chart of US dollar DXY, then you can see that US dollar is also in a sideways range right now. Okay. Because this particular level is acting as a support for the market, and as we all know, this is a very strong resistance for the market. So DXY is also in a narrow range here in a sideways market. So in case there is a sudden fall or a heavy fall on DXY, then definitely this will be the next support, and if it goes up, then this level will be the next resistance for the market. If you want to draw lines here, then I would request you to draw lines on the chart of DXY, because you can understand the market better. Because understanding DXY US dollar is very important, because US dollar has got huge impact on forex market. Because whenever dollar goes up, currency pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD goes down, and when dollar goes down, GBP USD, Gold USD, Euro USD, AUD USD all goes up. Okay. So in case there is a sharp fall on US dollar, we will see gold going up, and if dollar goes up from here, then we will see gold going down. So if you look at the present portion of the market here, then you can see that right now market is almost trading at the support zone, because see right now market is trading at 1791, and you can see that I have mentioned 1790 to 1780 is the support zone for the market. So just listen to me carefully right now. So if you want to go for a buy here, okay, you can go for a buy, but your stop loss will be below this level, 1780 level. And if you ask me, Avilas, which is the best trading spot or the best trading level on the chart of gold USD, then I'll say that your best trading level on the gold is 1808. So in case market goes up, then you'll get a good opportunity to short the market at 1808 level, and in case market goes down, then you'll get a good opportunity for a buy at 1780 level, this level. Why? Because you can see that for quite some time, whenever market is coming down or market is failing, selling pressure from above, this level is acting as a strong support for the market. So whenever there is a selling pressure on gold, 1790 level is always present, providing support to the market. So 1790 is the best buying position, and on the other hand, 1808 is the selling position, best selling position or the shorting position for gold. Just make sure that confirmation is always important. Confirmation will be in the form of a hammer pattern or shooting star pattern in case of shorting the market. Okay, right now if you want to go for a buy, yes, you can go for a buy. Just make sure that your stop loss is below this level. If you're thinking that stop loss is the stop loss of one stop loss below 1780 is too much for you, then don't no need to execute the trade. Just wait for the market to either come down to 1780 level, or go up to 1808 level. Then you'll get the best opportunity. And my dear friends, recently I have launched my Pro Trader membership program where you can be a part of my analysis where I share the best trading opportunities on the market with you. If you're interested in knowing about the Pro Trader program, just go to my website avilashazarika.com, and on the Pro Traders section, you'll find all the necessary information. So hopefully you've understood what should be a strategy and what you need to do. So be careful and use proper stop loss and proper risk management. Do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow again.